Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to remove BitLocker encryption on Windows 11. First, let's open Windows PowerShell. It's best to run it as an administrator and enter this command. You can launch it through the Start menu with admin rights. Here we see the drives protected by BitLocker. These two drives of mine aren't protected, but let's say one of these drives is protected. Choose this command, paste or type it, then add the protected drive's name. Let's say drive D is protected. Click Enter D here and close the slash. Hit Enter. Then the final command should look like this, with D, in my case. That's it. All done. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you later.